In this session, let us learn about rounding decimals. Rounding decimals. There are primarily 5 ways of rounding of decimals in NumPy: truncation, fix, rounding, floor, ceil. Truncation. Remove the decimals and return the float number closest to 0. Use the trunc method and fix method functions. Truncate elements of following arrays. See, by executing the trunc method, the result is -3, 3. Same example with using fix method. See, by using NumPy fix method, the result is -3, 3. Rounding. The around function increments preceding digit or decimal by 1 if greater than or equal to 5, else do nothing. Example, round off to 1 decimal point, 3.166 is 3.2. See here, round off 3.1666 to decimal places. See here, by using 3.162 NP round, the result is 3.17. Floor. The floor method functions round off decimal to nearest lower integer. See here, floor of 3.1166 is 3. For example, float the elements of following array. By executing this floor method, the result is -4, 3. The floor function returns floats unlike the trunc method functions who returns integers. Ceil method. The ceil function rounds off decimals to nearest upper integer. Ceil of 3.1166 is 4. Ceil the elements of following array. See here, by importing NumPy array is equal to np ceil method, see the result is -3, 4. Okay friends, this is the end of part 34, rounding decimals. In next video, let us learn about another topic, NumPy ufunclogs. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.